Good morning, traders. Good morning, trading room. Amazing to be with you. As we discussed with students, we're dealing with extremely important day this morning. As we discussed with students, we're looking at very big institutional conflict this morning. This is a place you're monitoring for short on institutional chart. Your short is high as possible. But this is a place where market been bought for the previous week. This is key, this is crucial level. This is what software is showing you clearly this morning. So please pay attention as you will be tested to the core. This is key part, this is crucial moment to see if market will be bought again or not, because again the news of the war is getting worse and worse and worse and start impacting world more and more and more. I cannot agree more with Kissinger. This war is not sustainable. The world needs to find solution. This event impacting every person more and more and more. It's impacting world economy drastically. And that's a horrific event for all of us involved. Again, institutional support being tested this morning. Again, you knew this many days in advance. Again, as we discussed with my brilliant, intelligent traders, this is a morning of institutional conflict. This is a morning you're witnessing extremely important event. And if you sold the market, you sold the market as high as possible. You understand this is test point. And what will play out next is extremely important moment. That's it. So if I take you to key institutional chart, this is a chart present in front of you for years. This is a chart that's telling you clearly, with a single glimpse, intelligent trader knows we're dealing with trending bearish markets. And as we discussed in every Thursday class, chances of price collapsing to this level extremely high. Single glimpse is all intelligent trader needs to understand. This is extremely important day. This is extremely important moment. Software makes it very simple on you. This is test point now. Day trading support with worthless buyers. Market been bought at this level last week. If it's bought again, everyone can exhale. If price crashes through this level, trending bearish sell-off is on. And that's what intelligent trader pays attention to. Test point. Key. Again, previous 2 days, market been bought at this level. Again, this price is showing you clearly buyers are weak. Counter trend move. Institutional conflict is present. Intelligent trader not pulling a trigger. There is no conservative trades. Market oversold, testing key, day trading support. And you knew this. Hours, days, weeks, months and years in advance. What would your trading be like if you knew this? You decide. That's it. So here's the students sharing their results. Georgie, stunning, breathtaking work. Nasdaq, 3 shorts, 35.74 and 89 points accordingly. Brad, breathtaking, 5 points on Friday. Stunning, breathtaking work. And that's how intelligent trader trades. Understanding clearly. When you play by Alpha Fibonacci rules, The skies are the limit. So this is the account that was started with 15,000 on April 12th. By the end of April, 22,000. By the end of May, 56,000. By the end of June, 80,000. Phenomenal, stunning, excellent work. This requires simply your effort. That's it. Emails pouring from students who playing by the rules. As again, this was a starting point. April 12th, $15,000. This is intelligent trader who understands that this is key test point. Market is vicious and nasty. If this is the morning, price crashes through institutional support, market will become worse, not better. This is key test point. So more and more students keep sending me their account statements with their performance. Again, this is students' account performance for 1 week on S&P. That's it. Choice is yours. What account, what amount, what instrument, what time frame you decide to trade. Stunning work by intelligent traders who understand this is institutional conflict morning. There is no conservative trades. So here we are, traders. Traders being tested to the core. Institutional test point, buyers are worthless. Price can do this for hours. The only brilliant move to do, to be on sidelines, not to trade this. This is broker's heaven. This is horrific, nasty market. This is what plays out at least 40% of the time. Intelligent trader understands the best case scenario, spectacular bullish reversal. We're not seeing that. We're seeing bullish junk. Only when rules are met, intelligent trader would take a trade. Rules are telling you right now, be on sidelines. Rules are telling you right now not to trade. Rules are telling you right now, let your broker print money, but not with you. Overextended selling pressure with worthless buyers. The worst possible case scenario. Intelligent trader on sidelines. Intelligent trader not touching this junk. That's it. This is a test you must pass every day, no matter what instrument, no matter what time frame you trade. And if the entire day the price will do this, you have zero interest pulling a trigger. You have zero interest being your broker's bait. This is vicious. This is nasty market. Price does this. Let's review other instruments. Euro, ladies and gentlemen, historical moment in front of you. Euro breaking through the level that's been respected for the last 7 years. This is the power of the system. This is Euro 2015-2016. Intelligent trader not shorting near this level. Intelligent trader understands this is a level that's been obeyed and respected for 7 years. This is a day you're breaking through this level. 87 cents is next. After 87 cents, 62 follow. And you know this months and years in advance. No software required. But it's exact same thing on euros on S&P this morning. Is anyone surprised? There is no other option. Spectacular bullish rally for intelligent trader is a gift. That's it. You decide if you want to trade euro or S&P. Choice is yours. And that's the test in front of you on this beautiful Monday morning. There is no other option. The only good option, spectacular bullish rally. We're not seeing that on euro. Euro crashing lower. First time in 7 years. We are at 102. But again, if I take you back to euro, to a year ago, that would be the place to short euro from. Go back a year to June 2021. The power of the system. You short the ultimate high, you buy the ultimate low. This is a vertical bullish rally on euro during COVID. Euro came to the brick wall. You want to short? Short ultimate high and only when rules are met. And that's how you trade every single instrument. All the details in Thursday class and modules 3 and 4. So here we are a year later on euro. Euro testing levels we have not seen before. S&P testing you to the core from exact same reversal zone as we discussed with traders this morning. There is no other option, the only option to buy from this level. So if you understand institutional buy points many days in advance, you are never trading against institutions. You always trade only with institutions. So in case you missed all the events of last week, here's a reminder. June 28th. Take you back to this chart. June 28th. Intelligent trader not buying the market. Intelligent trader shorting the market from this level. And intelligent trader knows many days in advance the only option to buy from this level. But again, rules must be met before you ever pull a trigger. This morning we are dealing with massive institutional conflict. At the end of the week, last week, market been bought. June 30th, before holiday weekend in US, market is bought. S&P skyrocketing hundreds of points. Again, over holiday weekend. Here we are on July 4th. Market skyrocketing. Institutional long sitting and waiting. Intelligent trader never shorts near this level. That's it. We are at institutional buy point, but we are clearly seeing that buyers extremely weak this morning. Institutions are not trading little baby charts. Institutions not trading little junky charts. Institutional orders sitting and waiting. This morning, clear bullish weakness in front of you. This morning, clear bullish chop. Test is on. Price is stuck. That's it. And we knew this well before market open. We discussed there is no conservative trading. We discussed institutional conflict is present. We discussed trader will be tested to the core. You don't like being tested? Walk away from the markets this morning. And that's the test you must pass every single day if you want to day trade. There is no spectacular bullish power. There isn't. It's bullish weakness. Market is stuck. Here's a crash on Bitcoin. The crash is not done yet. This is what intelligent trader knows many months in advance. Not to buy Bitcoin anywhere near reversal zone. This is where market will crash with high 80% probability. Bitcoin oversold. Testing trader to the core. Sell-off is not done, but sellers exhausted. So if I take you back to this chart, here's Bitcoin 2021, November. Intelligent trader knows to exit the trade. Not to listen to hype, not to listen to noise. Market overbought at reversal zone. Monitor for short. That's it. Do not speculate, do not gamble with your money. If trading on the hype worked, every person on the planet would be Bill Gates. So when Steve sends me this email, emergency room doctor who is trading the system on everything, no software required. He doesn't have the software, he's using his brilliant mind. He exited Bitcoin right on time, as he says. He was laughing when he was at the healthcare convention and all the doctors were joking about buying Bitcoin non-stop. He exited before the crash, but he's also trading metals and stocks, commodities. Nothing is a problem. This is a legend who obeys the rules. That's it. Bitcoin oversold. Exact same problem as on S&P. So if anyone says that Bitcoin cannot be hacked, please wake up call. Do you see what happens in New York? Couple that lived on Wall Street. Guy who provided security for crypto fund started stealing Bitcoin. It started with expanding to 3 billion. But my goodness, over the weekend it came back to 8 billion in crypto heist. Ouch. Insane. And this is very powerful reminder. Anyone and everyone who thinks crypto is safe, this is wake up call. Billions and billions of dollars being hacked. Again, we're having this discussion while market testing you to the core. The only place is safe is your brilliant decision and how you manage your money. And every single time you see hype, you run. Here is exact same guy who's been hyping to buy Bitcoin. So hold on one second. How is it possible? Bitcoin not supposed to be regulated. That's why Michael Saylor, whale, had been urging everyone to buy Bitcoin. But now he says, my goodness, pretty please regulate the crypto. Ouch. Here is more. If you think market is black and white, you have a lot to learn. Market is very gray and very shady. The most dangerous market conditions, oversold market. The most dangerous market conditions, vicious bearish crashes, because they will always find vicious bullish rallies. This is chop, this is nasty, this is shady. Intelligent trade on sidelines. So this is a test you must pass every single day. This is a stunning reminder of brutal nasty markets. This is a stunning reminder of broker's heaven. Again, there is no other option. The only option, aggressive longs. Intelligent trader knows this. Exact same spot where market been bought since late June. What is the problem this morning? Buyers extremely weak. We're not seeing powerful buyers. We're seeing bullish weakness. And that's what market has done for the first 30 minutes of the market open. But this can last for hours, this can last for days. And that's a test intelligent trader passes easily by being on sidelines, not trading broker's heaven, not taking a bait. You are much smarter than that. That's it. Let's take a break. So again, Bitcoin oversold. And again, with the power of the system and the power of your brilliant mind, you knew this months in advance. You understand that Bitcoin right now horrific and nasty. You're not listening to hype. You are using your brilliant mind and brilliant effort. That's the safest place to be. So here we are, traders. While we were taking a break, price reminded you, if you remain firm, if your only option to buy from, this is the only best option this morning. You are not touching any shorts when you are in the green zone, your only option to buy from. That's it. Price keep testing, keep on. Price keep reminding you, it's extremely limited trading range. Institutional trader understands very, very clearly, market is a mess. A mess is the name of this morning. So when you understand when brokers have it in a play, you let your broker play with someone else's bait. There is no conservative trades this morning. They do not exist. Trading range extremely limited. But when the price remains at the bold green line, your only option to buy from, you never short near this level. This is institutional buy point. Market stock. So when you are tested with brokers heaven, you understand this is key moment to your success. Intelligent trader walks away from the screen. Intelligent trader has zero interest in extremely choppy, limited trading range market conditions. Single glimpse is all you need with Alpha Fibonacci system to know, to understand. Trading range very limited, buyers very weak, market is stuck. Let someone else pay for your broker's vacations. And that's the markets as of this moment. Only extremely aggressive longs are present. That's the only option. Nothing else is present. But trading range extremely limited. Stunning lesson this morning on brutal, horrific, nasty market conditions. Again, this plays out on all instruments at all times, at least 40% of the time in day trading to 80% of the time. When we are dealing with exhausted sellers and worthless buyers, when market stuck in institutional conflict, market will give you this for hours, days, even weeks, making assumption that market is black and white and spectacular and easy to trade is extremely naive move. That's it. So here we are. Tesla stuck in chop. Exact same chop you're witnessing in day trading on S&P is playing out on Tesla for the last 2 months. I can't wait for updated podcast with Richard, who is focusing on trading options on Tesla. So here's one of the latest emails from Richard. Again, you can listen to Richard's podcast on website. Richard has zero interest in day trading. He applies Alpha Fibonacci system long term. It is absolutely your choice how you trade the system. Richard, sign up for all the systems I will ever develop. Richard, performance 100% since the month of November. This is brilliant human being who is making very serious effort. Tesla in horrific pain. Exact same chart as S&P. Single glimpse, intelligent trader knows this. Here we go. Amazon. My goodness, has anyone expected Amazon crash? Spectacular, breathtaking earnings when Amazon in 3,700. But if I take you back on this chart on Amazon to November, this is a chart from this trading room in case you missed. This requires no software. This is what you can trade on all platforms. I've been teaching clients globally since 2011. Software for NinjaTrader 8 came out in 2019. No software is ever required. You can trade the system on all platforms. If it has Fibonacci retracement tool, you can trade the system, MT4, MT5, Sierra charts, any chart. The crash on Amazon is not over. My goodness. From 3,700 since November. Amazon split much later on, when Amazon was already crushing $1,000 per share. That's it. That's a lesson. On Tesla, on Amazon, on Bitcoin. Here's S&P reminding you, as we discussed with my incredible traders this morning, we're at institutional buy point. Shorts this morning are not an option. Intelligent trader understands buyers picking up this steam, market becoming more powerful, and if market's setting up for spectacular, easy to trade afternoon, intelligent trader would take advantage of that. That's it. No gambling, no speculation. Very clear and very precise rules. So with your brilliant mind and your brilliant effort, you can manage your own money however you wish. On Bitcoin, on futures, on stocks, you decide. Do you want to day or position trade? Choice is yours. You can absolutely trade the system on all time frames. So please listen to Students Podcast, currently offering savings up to $8,000 for each and every package you choose from. Different savings apply. So with Richard, I will be recording the latest podcast. Richard already shared his success story. And when you click on Students Performance, you can view emails I receive. You can apply system to all platforms. You can apply system with Ninja 8 software as well. Group course, private mentoring includes trading room, video library, modules, live classes. In private mentoring, I hold your hand. I keep you accountable. I test you. I quiz you. I show you if you meant to day trade or position trade. You see clearly your strengths, your weakness. And that's what you can choose from. We're off to the live class. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. So please remember, it all starts with passing the test each and every day. And here comes institutional buyers. Here comes stunning reminder to never ever ever trade against institutions, but to only write institutional power. And that's what system is based on. And that's what we will discuss next. So thank you so much everyone. It's my joy and honor to be here with you. We're off to market recap.